Alright, this is my review of my Apollo 70cc automatic engine. 6 months I've had this bike for. The only thing I've actually changed on the bike, it's the carburetor, because the stock one sucks. The only thing about these bikes is that the tires are so small that I've used the bike so much that the tires, they get wasted so fast because they're so small. And then plus I ride it on the concrete too, so I go everywhere with it. That's the only issue with it. That's it. But would I recommend this bike? Yeah, shit is fun as fuck. I'll ride this bike everywhere. And then to fill it up, it's only like $2, and I'll be riding it everywhere. Look. Right now, I'll order a sprocket so it can go faster. The top speed I've gone with this bike was, I think, it's like 33, 34 miles per hour. So when I change the sprocket, it should go at least, maybe I'll probably gain 5 miles per hour more. But I'll make another video when I add it to it. But I would recommend this bike. 10 out of 10. This shit is fun.